comment par une IA. Là, c'est... Ok, donc ça, c'est les bons sous-titres, du coup. Bah, vas-y, on va faire ça avec les sous-titres. Vas-y, c'est carré.
2つのゲームモード、エ
C'est
ピ
bien,
ソ
c'est
ード
bien.
バトルとカスタムバトルの詳細を新規ゲーム映像を使用してお伝えいたします。まずはエピソードバトルです。このモードは悟空やベジータなど8人のキャラクターから選んだキャラクター目線で原作の物語に沿ったシチュエーションのバトルを楽しめる一人用のモードです。物語の流れやシチュエーションが分かる導入パートと実際にプレイするバトルパートを繰り返しながら進めていくものになっております。
C'est bien. Je suis content, la team, qu'il y a les... En fait, je suis content qu'ils aient fait ça. Parce que d'un côté, sinon, ça allait être trop cacarotte. Des BZ cacarotte. Là, vous avez vu Dragon Ball Z et Dragon Ball Super. Ça veut dire on aura aussi les moments iconiques. Ça veut dire on aura, dans le mode d'histoire, les Goku Kaioken x10 contre Hit. Les Goku contre Beerus. Goku contre Zamasu. Black Rosé, etc. Végétaux Blue, t'as capté? Je me dis, franchement, là, pour moi, j'aime bien. J'aime bien, j'aime bien. Fidèle, mais ils vont pas trop loin.
ラディッツとの戦いから始まり、ドラゴンボールスーパーの力の大会編の戦いまでのバトルステージが用意されています。原作で苦戦していた相手と歯ごたえのあるバトルが楽しめるようになっていたり、一部の物語パートは一人称視点で楽しめるなど、キャラクターとしての体感を味わえるモードになっています。一部のステージに限られますが、物語のターニングポイントとなっていた場面での選択やバトルの結果、
Les joueurs auront la capacité de changer le dénouement de l'histoire pour un résultat différent de celui... Ça, c'est pète sa mère, ça. Mais ça, on avait vu, mais je pensais pas que ça allait être fait comme ça. Tu vois? Donc ça veut dire qu'il y aura des choix, et en fonction de tes choix, tu pourras prendre une nouvelle trame. Bon, moi, je ferai quand même l'histoire officielle, et je referai le jeu avec les autres choix.
異なる場面に出くわすこともありますので、ぜひドラゴンボールのキャラクターになったつもりでお楽しみください。以上がエピソードバトルの説明となります。そして2つ目のモード、カスタムバトルをご紹介いたします。
combat personnalisé.
こちらはオリジナルのシチュエーションのバトルを楽しめるモードです。カスタムバトルモードの中にあるエクストラ
Au sein du mode combat personnalisé se trouvent également les combats bonus. Un mode pour lequel nous avons préparé et développé plusieurs situations de combat originales dont vous pourrez profiter. Ça, c'est en mode on custom et après on peut partager et des gens peuvent venir faire notre défi, c'est ça? Genre tu mets un Satan bien broken et tu dois le battre, on va dire, avec le personnage le plus nul du jeu, un petit Krillin, sans technique, etc. Juste, on va dire, au Taijutsu, t'as pas le droit au Kikoa, et tu dois battre le Satan. Ça, c'est pète sa mère. Ça peut faire des défis de fou et des prix. Ça, vous savez ce que j'aime bien? C'est que ça peut faire en sorte qu'on peut jouer au moins un bon mois en live non-stop. Parce que ça veut dire, même quand à un moment donné, on ne veut pas faire de PVP, on peut essayer de... Tu sais, moi, je peux essayer de relever les défis de la communauté. Vous avez capté ou pas? C'est peut-être sa mère. Genre, je mets un salon sur Discord, il y a un mec qui m'envoie le code. Et j'essaie en live de relever le défi de certains parmi vous qui auront créé une room ou un petit truc. Et moi, j'essaierai de le battre en live et tout. Et proposer du contenu, ça peut être peut-être sa mère.
のバトルをお楽しみいただけます。中には特殊な勝利条件のものや途中でイベント演出が挟まるものなど通常のバトルとは異なる戦いもお楽しみいただけます。またエディットモードではプレイキャラクターやバトル前後のプレイヤーの皆様が自由に設定してオリジナルのバトルを作ることができます。
C'est incroyable. C'est incroyable. C'est incroyable.
そして作ったものはアップロードして世界中のプレイヤーの皆様と共有できますので、ぜひ皆様の思い描くシチュエーションのバトルを披露し合って楽しんでいただけたらと思っております。
Merci Nakoms, merci pour les 5 mois.
エクストラバトルを含め既存のバトルをカスタマイズして新たなバトルを作る
La possibilité de modifier les contenus de combat bonus existants pour les utiliser.
こともできますので、 ぜひいろいろなバトルを作って遊んでみてください。以上、エピソードバトル、カスタムバトル2つのメインモードのご紹介でした。またゲームモードに加え、皆様から多くの声を頂戴している
Ok, des combats multijoueurs locaux, un point sur lequel nous avons reçu énormément de questions. Okay. Ah, c'est pète sa mère, Yukio.
に関してもお話ができればと思いま
Ça
す。
marche never.
本作はプレイヤーの皆様がどれだけドラゴンボールのキャラクターになりきった体験ができるかということにフォーカスして開発を進めてまいりました。気を高める
Non, la team. Non, le jeu sera compétitif. Hein. Ça va pas être le meilleur jeu de combat de l'histoire, faut pas abuser, mais le jeu va être compétitif. La vérité, il va être trop compétitif. Vraiment, frère. Non, la team, c'est... Ça se l'a tué. Au moins, j'aurai enfin un jeu qui me permettra de lancer des lives à n'importe quelle heure, quand je veux. Tu vois? En gros, ce sera vraiment le jeu. Dès que je m'ennuie, il est midi, vous êtes à l'école, je m'en bats les couilles. Et ben, je fais 2 heures de Sparking Zero et de Ranked. Parce que, tu vois, au moins, j'aurai ce jeu qui sera là pour cette fin d'année. Tranquillement. Je pourrais jouer en illimité.
だけで風が巻き起こったり、天気が変わったり、バトルの
Attends, nous voulons proposer des effets tels que le vent s'agitant frénétiquement ou la météo se modifiant drastiquement autour des personnages quand ils chargent leur ki. Oh. Non, la team, moi, tu vois, c'est des petits détails. Moi, ça me fait kiffer. Tu vois? Moi, ça me fait kiffer. Regardez, là, le ciel, il est vert.
だけで風
Il
が巻き起こった
recharge.
り、天気が変わったり、
Tu vois? Et là,
バ
bim.
トルの余波で
Vous avez vu? Il y a il y a... Oh là 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 là. On le savait déjà. Bah moi, pas du tout. Voilà. Et bah moi, je le savais pas. Voilà. Tu le savais déjà, tant mieux pour toi. Bon bah les couilles.
岩や建物が豪
Pète sa mère.
快に壊れたりなど、超パワーをより気持ちよく体感できるよう、最新のプラットフォームだからこそ実現できるさまざまな演出をリアルタイムに描くようにしています。それらの表現とかつて
Non, le jeu, il est trop beau, frère.
のような画面分割でのローカル対戦とを両立させるのは困難であったものの、皆様により良いゲーム体験を提供できるよう、今作ならではの形を模
Oh
索し
là 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 là, oh là là. La team, c'est trop beau, wesh. Non, c'est une dinguerie. J'aime trop. J'aime trop. L'aura du SCJ Blue, tout ça pour un Kamehameha.
ゲーム体験を提供できるよう、今作ならではの形を模索し、オンラインでの対戦を前提とした一人用のゲームとして開発を進めてまいりました。ただ少しでもより多くの方、多くのシチュエーションで遊んでいただきたいと思い、結果精神と時の部屋限定で画面分割対戦を実装できることとなりました。もともと一人用前提で作ってきておりましたので、
Oh là là, oh là là, oh là là, Black Goku, oh là
選択が
là.
できず、切り替えが必要といった不便な箇所が残ってしまいますが、
Oh là là, mais tu sais que... Mais en fait, moi, il me faut rien, la vérité. C'est là que je me rends compte que j'aime trop Dragon Ball Z. Rien que l'aura de Black Goku, je bande. Voilà, je suis clair. Rien que là, tu vois, avoir une aura comme ça, là. Violet, noir et tout. Rien que ça, je bande, frère.
切り替えが必要といった不便な箇所が残ってしまいますが、身近な人とお楽しみいただけると
C'est
嬉し
trop
いで
beau,
す。
wesh.
今回ご紹介させていただくゲーム内容は以上となりますが、本作の魅力がお伝えできていれば幸いです。また現在予約解禁しております。通常版だけではなく、発売より少し先に本編をプレイすることができるアーリーアクセスが入ったデジタルデラックスエディションやアルティメットエディションなどさまざまな販売形態を用意しておりますので、チェックしていただければ幸いです。予約特
Ouais, on va regarder la vidéo de Nanogenix.
典はキャラクター6体の早期開放券に加え、プレイヤブルキャラクター1体が手に入るものになっておりますのでお見逃しなく。他にも本作に登場するキャラクターに焦点を当てたキャラクタートレーラーも公開しており
Chiné, tu as pété ton crâne.
ますので、ぜひご覧くだ
Je prends sur PC ou PS5, PS5.
さい。
Non, là, les jeux de combat me parlaient pas d'ordinateur. Vraiment.
引き続き発売に向けて全力を尽くしてまいり
La
ますの
commu,
で、
elle est sur Play, elle est
今
sur
後ともぜひ
console.
ドラゴンボールスパーキングゼロをよろしくお願いいた
Toutes
し
les
ます。
commus d'ailleurs. Hein.
ご視聴ありがとうございました。
Crois-le, c'est réel mon frère. Toutes les commus de jeux de combat sont sur Play. Voilà, il y a des joueurs sur PC, mais à tes risques et périls. Voilà, si dans un an tu trouves pas trop de combats en ranked, etc., c'est ton dos. Hein. Non, c'était qui? Nanogénix m'a dit. Nanogénix à l'ancienne Dokkan Battle.
Playing Sparking Zero. I got to play Sparking Zero full on controller in hand, several matches right here in this video. But we also have footage from the story mode, including the side of the storyline, as well as the canon side, and something called custom battles, where you get to create your own actual fights. But first,
vas-y, je vais mettre la traduction automatique.
let's actually start with my actual gameplay, me playing controller in hand. This is the standard layout for controllers. They also had classic available for us. I chose
Reste accroché, chef. Comment ça? Comment ça?
Then right here is stage selection. World premiere. This is the actual stage selection screen for the build that we played anyway. So I'm having to talk over this right now because I'm in a room with 7 other people capturing at the same time. So I didn't want to be like the obnoxious guy like talking and screaming, and also show you guys some of my reactions to things. So this is the character selection.
Le jeu il est fluide, hein, j'aime bien.
Big PSA right now. I believe we were told this is not final. I don't think this is final, but we already knew they were counting the different versions of characters for that. I think they said like we're gonna see like maybe 160 or something. That was pretty much confirmed. They are definitely counting the variations of characters. So just to put this in a super crazy context, we only had 30 minutes with the game in total. That means sitting down, starting recording, doing everything. So my brain was just rushing with who all do I want to see in this 30 minutes, because when you really think about the fact that that's sitting down, getting to capture, having to set up and do all these things, throw my
Vegeta, il est tellement BG là,
a
Nomo.
lot of time. Also, as you saw there, we actually got to, I guess, low-key revealing a character is included is Dr. Gero, which you can see literally right there. But I was like, who all do I want to bring? Let's go ahead, let's bring some of the more exclusive characters we've never seen in the game before, like Bergamo, who will be in this video later. I actually do use him, not just fight against him. And then I thought Birder was an interesting one, so I figured I would go ahead and bring Birder.
Oh là 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 là. Oh là là, en octobre, ce jeu sera entre mes mains. Merci The Waze. Merci, putain. En octobre, ce jeu sera entre mes mains, frère. Ouais, c'est vrai, il n'y a même pas d'écran de chargement. Oh là 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 là. Ok. Ok.
You've gotten a lot stronger than before.
Indeed, and now I'm going to strangle the life out of you.
Okay, so yeah, just trying to get a feel for the controls. That's another thing too, is just trying to figure out how the game actually played and worked. It just felt so much pressure. They're like, all right, you have 30 minutes, go. And it's just like, okay, what all can I do? What all can I see in 30 minutes?
Mon cerveau, c'est un détecteur. Là, je suis en train de tout analyser.
You'll notice this is very much so classic Budokai Tenkaichi fashion, where right now we have access
Mais
to
oh non, mais là, en fait, je sais pas si je suis rempli par les émotions ou si le jeu il est juste trop stylé. Mais en fait, même comment il fait le Kamehameha, les zooms de la caméra, genre sur Goku, la position qu'il met, les couleurs, etc. Je trouve que ça a trop de flow. Genre, je trouve que ça a trop de flow, frère. Je me dis, donc moi, je vais jouer en ranked, j'aurai des trucs, je serai comme ça, je serai en live, je serai en mode ta 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 ta.
Budokai Tenkaichi fashion, where right now we have access to Super Kamehameha and Dragon Burst.
Non, moi, il m'en faut peu pour être heureux, la vérité. Heureusement, je suis un homme simple.
Abilities. I also want to make sure that you guys saw this too. It is incredibly in-depth. You can pause these if you want to look through the different menus here, which was me just kind of wanting to see what all was available, but also just capture and be able to show off everything that you could do. As you can see there, to actually transform, you just press up on the D-pad.
Oh là 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 là. Et c'est géant.
And this game does look as good as you would want it. Like, it looks so good. And really fast, a quick explanation of the UI. The HP gauge, the key gauge, all of that are very familiar. But this right here is telling you when you can change. It's grayed out right now because I don't have the ability to change to a different character. This is my transformation count, which is telling me how many transformations I currently have access to based on the key and the skill count I have, which this right here is the skill count. There are moves, transformations, things like that tied to this skill count. And that's the quick overview of the UI.
I'm not done yet.
Ok, 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 ok.
So I'm at a video where I go way more in depth into just my entire experience of playing it and everything like that. So definitely subscribe for more of that.
En fait, je vois surtout le potentiel de fou. Le jeu, il est dynamique à la mort. C'est juste, tu vois, là, il joue contre l'ordinateur. Il doit sûrement être en difficulté facile. T'as vu, ça se regarde un peu dans le blanc des yeux. Lui, il connaît pas les touches. Mais je suis en train de m'imaginer deux mecs en PVP. Ça fait 1 an, ils se la tuent. Ça y va. T'entends que des... Tap, doum, tap, doum, doum, doum. T'entends que ça, en fait, jusqu'à la fin du combat, en fait.
And Sparking Zero, first ever true gameplay, me, controller in hands. Hit that like button.
Et c'est J2 Et c'est J-God.
Yes, this game looks as good as we think.
Oh là 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 là, c'est trop
Now,
beau.
about to go, I believe, into the Sparking mode, which changes OSTs.
OMG, Goku. Il a raté.
Now, what I used right there is actually the God Impact ability. It wasn't even my like Sparking
Il recommence.
ability. And as you can see, the
Touche, 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 touche. Ah, il y a une
was
portée.
not there for me. I think that one would have landed if I would have went a little bit further. I just have to emphasize how much I was like, I just have to do
Il
cool
recommence.
things. There's so little time.
Il a
I have to
encore
try
raté.
and do so many cool things.
La team, je suis désolé, j'enlève les sous-titres, ça pue. Je veux juste regarder le gameplay là.
So there I tried Godbind, which takes 2 of the skill.
Parce qu'en fait là il explique juste, il est en mode là j'ai essayé de mettre un coup de poing, là j'ai essayé de faire une spé. C'est pas comme si il dit des trucs inédits etc. Et juste il commente son gameplay et ça me donne mal à la tête de regarder en bas ça.
As you just notice, it costs 2 of those to do that ability. I unfortunately did not land it. And I was like, okay, let's just see if I can get this sparking off and actually try this God Burst Kamehameha.
Oh là là, changement d'environnement, Kamehameha. Mais... Oh, chez les gros hein. Oh lolo 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 lolo.
And Frieza goes down, so we're gonna swap into different characters.
Je vais tellement vous laver la team. Je vais tellement vous laver la vérité. Oh là là, vous allez pas vous en sortir, hein, je vous le dis. Hein. Je vous le dis dans le chat. Hein.
Actual team size to be. So right there, what I was trying to do is actually change characters. But then I decided, you know what? What if we just go ahead and see blue? And they come up. These CPUs, you could not determine CPU.
Oh là là, et c'est J-Blue.
Do you want to see?
You, at least in the build that we played, you could not choose CPU strength, but I imagine that will be there.
Ok, coup de poing.
God, the game looks so good.
Azram. Azram. Avec tout le respect, je ne veux pas entendre une seule fois le mot Naruto Storm dans mon chat. Même si tu aurais aimé que quelque chose dans Sparking Zero, ce soit un peu comme... Je veux pas entendre de Storm. Ni de Storm, ni de connexion, ni de je sais pas quoi. Restez avec votre Naruto. Gardez, continuez à aller en online. Restez avec votre Naruto. Vraiment, on veut plus vous donner l'heure. Vraiment. Et c'est d'ailleurs valable pour tous les fans là, de Naruto Storm. Là. Surtout connexion. Restez loin de Sparking Zero.
Yeah, so here I was just watching like him destroy that building, and I was like, okay, that looked really cool. And I'm just trying to like mess with the different like actual controls and stuff. As far as feel goes, I know some of the UI elements and the way you change character stuff is feeling very Raging Blast, but actually in my hand, I was definitely getting way more Tenkaichi. All right, so we're
C'est toi,
Sylvino
Sylvino.
now. Wait, did that reset? Yeah, that actually reset my skill count. So as you guys saw, we were about to have 4 skill counts with the Goku, and now that we're swapped to Vegeta, it completely wiped out all of those. So now I have to start back over and build those back up.
Vegeta. Ok, c'est J. Putain, Vegeta, il a tellement plus de flow que Goku, ça. Je suis team Vegeta au passage. Voilà. Là, je fasse pas les choquer dans le chat. J'ai toujours été... Depuis petit, j'ai toujours été team Vegeta, les frères. Rien à voir avec le DZ, vraiment rien à voir. Moi, je suis team arrogant. Oh non, 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 non. La ref au film DBS en plus. Non, la team. Non, la team. J'ai juré que les transformations de Vegeta tabassent celle de Goku, là. La rêve du film. En mode quand il est Kama, c'est la caméra, elle tourne et tout sur lui. Masterclass. Masterclass. Putain. J'aime trop, j'aime trop, j'aime trop.
You already know what I'm trying to do.
Oh là 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 là. Masterclass.
Dude, he looks so good as a god.
Ok, Vegeta, montre-leur.
Oh wait, did I defeat Bergamo with that? All right, here we go. Birder in action. I think I do ahead and try to get to blue. Oh no, I want to see his sparking ability with the
OMG, OMG. Le ciel change. La musique change. Vegeta. OMG, Final Flash rouge. Wesh.
Yeah, I felt like it was about to run out, so I just wanted to use it.
Incroyable. Final Flash rouge comme ça. Mais attends, mais Vegeta, il fait un Final Flash rouge un jour? Ouais, c'est dans des BGT, c'est dans des BGT, frère, qu'on voit du rouge en général. Ok, c'est peut-être un rajout. Non, il est trop beau. Il est trop beau, la team.
Yeah, so this time I was like, let's take a look at World Tournament. Also, you can pause there if you want to look at all the different maps they have available. Let's take one more look at this character select screen here. So you can also notice that Vegeta does not have up to evolution. They did not give us access to the evolution of Vegeta, and I was trying to determine which.
Kenichi, arrête d'être jaloux. C'est quoi ça? Pourquoi on file des jeux aussi bien à des mecs qui savent pas jouer? Frérot, il est à une convention. Dans une ville qui est différente, on lui donne une manette, un jeu qu'il a jamais joué de sa vie, c'est sa première game. C'est sa première game, encore heureux, il sait pas jouer. Commencez. Vous voyez, le jeu, il est même pas sorti. Vous faites déjà les bandeurs de mecs forts. Tu vois? Alors que vous êtes éclatés vous aussi, genre, c'est... Miskin, c'est sa première game. Toi aussi, ta première game, tu vas puer la merde. Vraiment, c'est trop. C'est trop la team. Là, il n'y a pas de compète, là, le jeu n'est pas sorti. Si c'est les mêmes touches que Budokai 3, c'est comment? Mais on s'en bat les couilles, c'était il y a 20 ans. Et alors? C'était il y a 18 ans. Je me souviens même pas des touches, moi, de Budokai. J'ai fait 3 fois le jeu. Je m'en souviens pas. Ouais, tu as pas... Le jeu, c'était à 18 ans, frère. Belek, il a 28 ans, là. Il a joué à 10 ans. Bien sûr qu'il s'en souvient pas des touches. Et en plus, il y a des nouvelles touches. Bref, vous êtes trop aigris. Trop aigris, trop aigris. Je sens qu'on va beaucoup insulter des gens dans le chat. Hein. Quand le jeu va sortir, je le sens.
Interesting. Okay. What I was trying to determine was if Vegeta could turn into Majin Vegeta mid-match. And from what I could tell with the time that I had, he couldn't. So that was not something that like I necessarily had access to, at least, and again, in this build. This is very much so a very specific build for us to play, that we had access to 50 characters. And that was pretty much...
Kenichi, s'il te plaît, Kenichi, m'oblige pas à te ban. La vidéo, elle fait 47 minutes, on est à 9. Oui, mais Sini, en fait, il a lancé le jeu, il a fait 3 combos et il nous a pas montré grand-chose. 8 minutes, 9 minutes. Il reste encore 40. T'inquiète. Laisse-le, laisse-le. Lui aussi, il a attendu 18 ans la sortie du jeu. Laisse-le prendre, profiter. T'es trop aigri, wesh.
Shit.
Bref, s'il vous plaît. Allez, reprenons. Please.
Whatever my late father's done to you and yours, it's not my problem to deal with.
All kinds of custom lines, man, for the different characters.
Ok, Broly, la team.
As you can see there, we're now fighting Vegeta. Didn't keep who I was
D'entrée de jeu,
fighting before.
direct,
Always defaulted back
Broly
to fighting
Ikari.
Vegeta. So unless you actually took the time to go change who you were fighting, which I imagine in the final build it will remember the last person you fought. God, this move is so good. I imagine it will remember again because this is such a very specific version of the game that we're playing.
Oh là là, le petit counter.
I was seeing if there was a way that I could also unlock off of the character, or if it really just kept me stuck onto the character, which I believe is very Tenkaichi-like.
Ça bouge déjà un peu plus. Ok. Ça bouge déjà beaucoup plus.
It all felt very Tenkaichi. I have to make sure that is.
Oh là 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 là, la transformation. Incroyable.
As prominent as possible. Yeah, do it. Let's see it.
Il se retransforme encore.
But you can see that my abilities did change.
Ok. Donc ça c'est sans animation.
One thing that I did not capture that I know some of the other guys that were there did, and that is that you can trigger a cutscene.
Ok, là il est au max, il est en mode ultra là.
But I think it was because I didn't
Oh là 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 là.
target the audience itself. But you can actually make the audience leave from the World Tournament, which I thought was like a very cool little detail that you just I didn't personally get to see. No ring out here, but my
Il est éliminé, chef, l'arbitre.
in like these just custom fights, I imagine there will be ring out in the final build for sure. Oh, okay, Vegeta went sparking on me.
Ok, Végéto en mode sparking.
Yeah, I wanted to change characters to try a
C'est ça, c'est mode sparking, c'est ça?
Don't worry, I use Vegeta, mod Vegeta.
Merci, Illumi. Merci pour les 25 mois.
Okay, so Vegeta did not use.
Le public a l'air trop petit. Ouais, ouais, tu es Stade de France aussi, frère. Il a toujours été comme ça, le tournoi Budokai. Le Stade de France, frère, wesh. Non, là, faut pas abuser de la critique. Vraiment, Vraiment, c'est une dinguerie. Le jeu, il est nickel, il est incroyable. Ah, je trouve les tribunes, ils auraient pas pu mettre un étage, alors que ça a aucun impact sur le combat. Oh là là, imagine. Oh là 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 là. Canon Garlic. Il la cancel. Ça cancel. Ah ouais, ça a pas l'air broken, ça. Ok, je retiendrai quand Imagine Vegeta il fait sa spé, tu peux cancel. Il avait pas la range. Ok, bah alors au moins tu peux contre-attaquer si t'as une certaine distance. Regarde le public, ouais le public il bouge.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so
ouais, le public il bouge.
Next I want to see, I believe I went to Ruins. I actually think I went to City Ruins. So this is going to be a fight that also, I mean, everything you want to see here, but this one specifically, watch what I'm trying to cook up here.
Yes!
VAR chef, VAR de quoi? Il a regardé juste les terrains là.
Yeah. Yeah. Next I want to see, I believe I went to Ruins. I actually think I went to City Ruins. So this is going to be a fight that also, I mean, everything you want to see here, but this one specifically, watch what I'm trying to cook.
La pose de Broly, mais j'ai vu la pose de Broly et...
Yeah.
Elle est stylée et donc...
Yeah. Alright, so
Vas-y, vous aussi, vous croyez trop, je vais déchirer mon t-shirt toutes les 6 secondes.
here, but this one specifically, watch what I'm trying to cook up here.
Yes!
Ah, le public, il fuit quand ils reçoivent des Kikoa dans les gradins, c'est stylé. Ah, pète sa mère. Pète sa mère. Pète sa mère. Non, vraiment, premier degré, là, c'est pas sarcastique. Pète sa mère. C'est-à-dire, il y a un Kikoa qui part et tout le monde court pour esquiver, c'est pète sa mère, ça.
I'll crush you with all of my might.
Yeah, so I think you guys know what we're trying to go for here.
Goku, il reprend Goku contre Broly.
Nice! It's about time we had a proper fight.
So I'm trying
Okay.
to get in-game fusion to work. Obviously, for that to be a thing, you have to have the two characters on your actual team. Now, you could also see from the character select screen that I could have just started literally as Gogeta, but that's not nearly as cool as actually doing it in-game. So at this point, I'm just like, okay, so I probably have to build up my skill points here, so that way I can actually use the fusion mechanic. It's still not there, because I think it requires, not think after playing it, it requires 2 skill points to actually do the in-game fusion mechanic. And there it is. But now Broly won't leave me alone. I do think that some of CPU difficulty was determined by the actual character that you chose. Because Broly was way more aggressive than some of the others.
Ok.
Vegeta, let's do this.
OMG.
Fusion.
OMG, Gogeta.
He's so cool, man. In-game fusion, let's go, dude. It's just been so long since that's been a thing.
Do this thing.
Oh là 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 là, STJ.
Gogeta's just too cool. I kind of wish I'd went to the destroyed planet to do this fight specifically, because I think it would have looked cooler. But also the city ruins look.
Oh
really
non
nice
non
at
non
this
non non
stage.
non. J'ai juré par contre, Nanogenix, il est incroyable parce que la vérité, sa présentation de gameplay, elle est vraiment bien. Parce qu'il fait pas ça pour les tryharders, il fait ça pour les fans. Ça veut dire il essaie de tester toutes les mécaniques. Ça veut dire il fait toutes les transformations des persos, il essaie de faire toutes les speeds des persos. Même si le gameplay il est pas très fluide, il veut au moins montrer un maximum et rentabiliser pour les fans. La vérité, il a fait une très belle vidéo. Vraiment, il a pas été égoïste en mode je sais pas quoi pour les tryharders.
Do this fight specifically, because I think it would have looked cooler. But also the city ruins looks really nice as a stage.
Gogeta, Gogeta.
Yeah, so now I'm just like, let's just see what Gogeta.
Oh
can
là
do.
là là là.
He's so cool, man.
OMG, OMG. Oh là là.
Yeah, so I'm noticing Broly's health is getting
Encore?
a little low. I wanted to try the Stardust barrier.
Y a pas
out,
que
which is
ça,
what
y a
we
pas que
saw
ça.
there. But I was like, okay, let's just buy some time. Let's get the skill point back and let's see what this guy's like.
Ok, c'est une chop, je pense.
Looks like.
Ok, mon Sparking. Kamehameha. Est-ce qu'il y aura le zoom dans les yeux?
Over 24,000 damage there.
Bon, le zoom, il est pas dans la bonne direction.
And yes,
En ça. En ça. Le zoom, il est pas sur le bon oeil. Ils ont fait... Normalement, le zoom, il est sur l'autre œil. Le zoom. Dommage. Normalement, c'est cet œil-là. Celui-là. Ouais, le gars qui fait des chichis. Magnifique.
over 24,000 damage there.
Magnifique. Par contre, t'as montré Gogeta, je le jure, tu as montré Végéto par contre. Parce que moi, je suis team Végéto, mon pote. J'aime énormément Gogeta, mais tu vas nous montrer Végéto, mon pote.
And so in my head, I'm like, who would be cool? I'm like, SSJ 3, we haven't seen enough from this guy at all. And I believe I picked Bergamo here, if I'm not mistaken. I feel like I'm like, you know
C'est sûr, ils l'ont pas mis dans le gameplay végétaux. Il est pas sur la démo, je savais, c'est trop des haters.
And then I was trying to decide, do I want to do...
Who am I killing next?
Do I want to do Beerus?
Goku
or do I
SSJ3?
want to do 17? And I wanted to see exactly how the androids work. So I believe right here I go with 17. Yep.
Hey, don't think this'll be easy.
We go with 17.
OMG,
Then I
point du
remember,
dragon.
Okay, I want to change who I'm fighting. I don't just want to fight Vegeta. And I want to make sure Krillin got in here somewhere, right? Like even if I didn't get a chance to use him, at least wanted to make sure he was somewhere in the video.
Behold the power of the true champion.
Wesh, mais il est beau, il est beau. Comment ça vous dites il est malade? Ça va.
Hair I've got feels pretty unique.
The fruits of my training will yield victory in this fight.
Yeah, they went crazy with that pick.
Il est pas musclé. En mode il est skinny. Oh là là, par contre le gameplay j'aime bien.
Alright, so we now have access to a skill point, but I just want to see like...
Wesh, il est trop beau.
The Twin Dragon, it is.
OMG. Mais il est trop beau, wesh.
Bro, I mean, dude, look at that, man. Are you kidding me? Now, I could go down to base here. As you could also see there, I could have transformed down to base. Battle damage Piccolo looking crazy as well. Then notice that my
Ça va jouer Bergamo là, nanogénique ça?
So I could basically just keep immediately fighting him. Bergamo was sick, by the way. I don't know how many like Bergamo stands are out there, but the way Bergamo like play, even for the seconds I got to use him here, he felt really, really cool. Also, I know it's crazy. I found the block button. I know it's like insane.
Mais en fait tous les personnages dans Sparking Zero ils ont du flow, même Bergamo.
So cool, man. All right, so Piccolo's down. Now it's time for Krillin to come out. Also, look how vast the map is. Like, look how far Krillin is away from me right now. Like, it really is kind of crazy. To dash, you basically just press R2 and
OMG l'aspect.
dash. It's pretty much like how the old games were.
Bergamo. Incroyable. Mais la vérité, trop de flow.
I want to say I changed here, but yeah, because I want to see 17.
Go easy on you.
So androids work the same way they always have, and you cannot charge, which seems like a nerf for them. I'm not gonna lie, like it just you slowly build.
C'est 17 MVP. Mais attends, mais c'est trop stylé là comment ça a été fait le truc de Krillin. Mais c'est trop stylé, genre tu vois vraiment... Ça te fait pas un flash blanc, ils t'ont vraiment fait le truc, t'as pris une bombe flash dans la tête là. Ouais, je l'ai fait, incroyable.
Such a crazy effect, by the way, with the audio.
Ça fait pas... en gros, comment dire ça? Ça fait pas en mode... quand vous voyez, quand vous ouvrez Google à 4 h du matin, voilà, ça fait pas le même effet. Voilà.
I'm not taking it easy on you.
Yeah, his ultimate's sick.
T'aimes bien le gameplay? Moi j'aime tout moi frère.
I really like the way 17 like felt just in general. Of course, we haven't actually seen the SSJ3 Goku's ultimate just yet, so I had to make sure that was in the video somewhere, which is exactly what I'm going for here against Hercule. So it's straight up just Dragon Fist.
If I don't, who will? Dragon Fist!
Point du dragon?
And that straight up killed
Ah c'est ce plan.
Hercule.
Ouah, le front, il a le même front que Lilian 31, frère. Wesh. Wesh, Lilian 31, il est dans Sparking 0. J'ai juré, il y a des airs de Lilian pour de vrai. Par contre, ça va. Ça va. Le personnage, je le trouve bien. Si c'est juste le plan de la victoire, c'est comme ça, ça me dérange pas. Si le personnage, il est broken et que je veux le jouer, frère.
I do wish he was smiling for this win screen. I do wish he was smiling for the win screen. Okay, so for this next stage, it was like we have to see Namek.
Je m'attendais à une dinguerie.
This one specifically, for all you Majima Vegeta fans out there like me, you gotta say tapped in on. This one is something that just, yes. Yeah, I felt like I hadn't used Trunks enough in this for sure.
Trunks, ça sort Trunks, Gohan. Sors des bêtes de perso, s'il te plaît.
This interaction, right? Like we have to. It's like a literal must. And then Beerus hadn't been in my video yet, so there you go. We get to see Beerus. And then
ah, c'est bien ça. Si le mec en face il a pris Goji et toi tu peux pas le prendre, c'est quoi? C'est celui qui lock en premier? Mais tu fais comment? Genre moi si je veux affronter quelqu'un, il sait que mon main, exemple, c'est Krillin. Ça veut dire il peut prendre Krillin juste pour me bloquer? Ah ça c'est que en local. Ah ok, parce que j'allais dire en PVP c'est brutal quand même.
Last but not least, the character that we just straight up have not seen at all. Jiro is here.
Ouais, parce qu'il avait pas mis local dans son message Yukio. Par contre, autant là la tête de Goku juste avant, Vegeta, il est respecté au max. Hein. Il y a des persos qui sont respectés au maximum. Là, la petite transformation, même ça, les gouttes de sueur, c'est tellement fidèle.
Yeah, Majin Vegeta's entrance is just too freaking cool. Oh, I just realized he starts with like full ki. Just straight up. Yeah, his combos felt sick, man. I say combos, his string of attacks. I did not have the time to learn like real combos. Period. You're dead! Dang, dude, his Big Bang actually felt like it did a lot. Yeah, I was like, okay, we gotta actually hit this now.
Ok, donc là il va réussir à la glisser. Il a touché. Ah c'est un suicide. C'est bien. Ça veut dire que si ton Vegeta il a 1 HP et qu'en face le mec il est full life, t'arrives à glisser, ah il lui reste 1 PV. Ok. Mais en fait, il faut l'utiliser quand t'es low. Faut l'utiliser quand t'es low. Genre à la fin, si t'es low HP, que t'es sur le point de mourir, tu l'utilises. Et tu peux one-shot le mec en face et toi...
Now, what you're gonna see here in a second is something really, really cool. I'll fight you next. So finally we get to see some Trunks. So what you're gonna see in a second is really...
Ah, peut-être que ça fait plus de dégâts plus t'as de la vie. Parce que s'il te reste 3 PV et que tu le fais, que tu redescends à 1, c'est un peu... Peut-être qu'il faut que tu aies un minimum de PV pour faire des dégâts.
Really cool because when you go on standby, it actually... You do get HP regen on standby.
Un peu cheat. Bah en vrai... Si t'es full HP avec Vegeta et que ça fait des dégâts en fonction de ta barre de vie à toi et que tu one-shot l'adversaire en face et toi il te reste 1 PV, c'est cheaté. Parce que tu peux éliminer son main personnage et toi il te reste 1 PV. Ça veut dire en gros c'est un counter. Ça veut dire que si tu sais que le mec il est le plus fort on va dire sur son Goku, dès qu'il va prendre Goku, bim bim t'essaies de le caler et t'essaies de le one-shot Et après, là, ton Vegeta, il meurt derrière, mais t'as capté.
I think some people might be tight about the fact that that doesn't just fully kill you. It just leaves you with 1 HP, but I think it's nice. You can see Beerus has more HP, by the way. He actually has 4 bars as opposed to Trunks' basic sort of 3 here. But shout out Levi. I had to make sure Trunks was here somewhere. Now, Trunks, I ran into a similar issue I did with the God Goku earlier.
Ok, Trunks Ikari.
Where his tracking on Beerus, look, he went right by Beerus. Again, this is an early build, so that will hopefully not be there when this game is actually out. But I was right in front of Beerus, and somehow he went right by him. I'm like, this is an early build thing. It's got to be, right? So I was like, all right, let's try it again.
OMG.
Here we go, everyone.
So I want to make sure I get in the video. Went right by him.
Encore
again.
raté.
I'm like, what? Why? Also, the Beerus stand stop looks nice. Combos there, solid. Now, again, I have to go into sparking every time to get this. So I have to be in sparking mode. I have to have it.
Ok, il va refaire.
Sparking mode. And I get right up on Beerus, so I'm like,
Elle rentre là.
I can feel it. Keep it coming, guys. Share your power with me.
Oh là 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 là.
Yeah, that was sick.
Ok.
But Beerus is actually still alive because he really is him. So, gotta get some adult
Gohan
in here somewhere. No, we cannot go Beast.
J'aime tellement ce Gohan avec cette tenue.
I'll unleash my true power.
That was sick. For like what it was, that was sick.
Attends, dans l'eau, les mouvements sont ralentis.
Kind of how it sounds, which I thought was like a super nice touch.
Your doom.
Ok, c'est J1. En tout cas, le son, il est étouffé dans l'eau. Wesh, 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 la zone.
He swapped to Beerus. Okay, I forgot he did this.
Ok, oh.
He like perfect blocked me. Look at that.
Oh.
I wonder if that's like a Beerus skill specifically though. That allows him to do it mid combo, or if you're gonna be able to do that mid combo. That's gonna be an interesting one.
Gohan et CJ2.
So of course we had to go two. We had to go two.
La vérité, en plus, on regarde ça, je me dis que quand on aura les voix en Jap, ça va être tellement mieux.
No way. All right, so Beerus is down. Gero is back out.
Là, on se mange de l'anglais, je mens pas.
Finally got us out of the water there. And I'm like, okay, let's see what his ultimate is here. It's a super Kamehameha.
OMG. Oh là 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 là, incroyable.
I do wish he would have actually said Kamehameha there, though. So I guess the timer appears when you're sub 60 seconds there. I don't remember that appearing earlier on the Vegeta match. So yeah, we bring Vegeta back out here. As you can see, we do actually have HP again. So you can use Final Explosion more than once.
Sahalo et Vert, ils sont un Namek là, non? Namek. Bon bref.
They win it on this move, 100%. Look at the effect. And it killed him, and we win. They win it on this move, 100%. Look at the effect.
Ok, il lui restait une barre et demie de vie. Après, la vie, elle descend tellement vite aussi que je me dis, il leur enlever tellement beaucoup plus.
And it killed him, and we win.
I'm going to crush you.
Sachini, ça se voit, tu comprends rien. Mais il y a quoi à comprendre là? Vous êtes bête, hein? C'est pour ça. Ah, vas-y, restez concentrés à l'école, frère.
And throw you into the wind.
All right, so they did also give us some just footage of the game. Let's see what the interaction is here.
I don't share Kakarot's taste for forgiveness. Go back to hell.
Vegeta, you talk so grandly for a lowly monkey. Would you mind piping down?
Wait.
Ok,
we're actually
Josh.
gonna get to see some stuff from Frieza here. This is wait. Battle damage on Vegeta, which I think we saw in the Vegeta vs Goku footage. For sure, that definitely was in there, yeah. Okay. Wait. This footage is good. Hang on. Yes. Oh snap. Yeah. Use his
OMG.
ultimate. I want to see base Vegeta's ultimate. It's got to be like
Non, c'est trop stylé, frère.
God, this game is so
Oh lolo lolo lolo.
Oh, he targeted the...
Wesh.
This is good footage. Wait. This is someone not within a 30-minute time limit. Trying
Incroyable.
to capture as many of the 50 characters as they can.
Incroyable. Non, c'est plus qu'une destruction de map là, c'est incroyable.
Okay, wait. Oh. That was sick, dude. Alright, he swapped to go. Oh, he swapped to blue Goku. Again,
Ah.
I'm
Là, c'est des pros qui jouent. Non, c'est des devs. C'est les devs qui jouent là. C'est les développeurs et là, ils regardent.
worried about trying to capture as many of the 50 characters.
C'est pour ça que c'est plus
can.
dynamique. Il y a un mec tout à l'heure dans le chat, il a dit que le jeu il est moins dynamique que Budokai Tenkaichi 3 quand même. Hein.
That was sick, dude. Alright, he swapped to go. Oh, he swapped to blue Goku. Again, I chose to do the transformations in game. You don't have to do that, as you guys know.
C'est la nostalgie.
Alright. I wonder. Are they gonna fuse? Wait, whoa, what is this? Oh, he went
Wesh.
to base.
Ah, ok, rétrograde.
Oh, okay, this is what I was gonna ask. I wonder if you can fuse in blue, but now that they went to base, I'm guessing you can't. I'm betting they went to base to fuse. That's probably what's about to happen here. Nice little deflection of the Ki Blast there.
Incroyable, ça se regarde dans le blanc des yeux, ça recharge.
Look at the Gi. Alright, he has.
Let's do this.
OMG.
Dude, it's just so cool, man. I'm sorry, like, being able to do that in-game is just like, that's what we want. We want, me personally, we want in-game transformations, we want in-game fusions, like, all that stuff. I want to be able to control mid-battle.
Oh, no, no.
Just start off as blue Gogeta, you know? Although he's going straight to blue. Wait, we hadn't seen that. Because I went from SSA. That was a little bit different, I think. I feel like. What is that?
Oh lolo.
Oh,
Incroyable.
sick. I wonder if this is a person versus person and not actually CPU versus CPU. Again, they just provided us this footage, so I'm just reacting to it. Like, why not? Let's just see. This is not me playing anymore. This is actual footage that they provided to us.
Oh lolo, la petite TP.
Everything before this though was me playing. That was me actually my footage I captured. That was
Aïe, aïe, aïe,
cool, though,
aïe,
seeing
aïe,
that
aïe.
flash. I don't. Huh. Interesting.
Aïe aïe aïe, merci Yokisuda, merci pour les 23 mois.
Beam flashes. There's actual like grapple
Aïe aïe aïe.
flash mechanic. Ah, dude, he's so cool. Wait, why did that do so much damage?
Pourquoi on a tout ça sous nos yeux, frère? C'est dans 4 mois qu'il sort le jeu, ouais. Putain. Attends, j'ai raté quoi? Oh lolo, c'est trop stylé ça.
Wait, why did that do so much damage?
Chop, petit chop. Oh là 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 là. Oh là là, il est arrivé dans le dos, vitesse, chop. Non, il y a du gameplay, j'aime bien.
I wondered if that was gonna be like somewhere, like his whole spinning around, right?
Ça va vite, hein.
He has 5 skill points right now. I kind of wish Broly would go full power. Oh wait, is he trying to get like a really?
Oh là là, non, Gogeta, il va vite, la team.
6 skill points now.
Il va très très vite, Gogeta. Oh, MG.
Oh, I did not do this one.
Non, la team.
Oh. Wait.
Non, il va vite, hein, Gogeta. Hein. Là, ça va très très vite.
That was
Putain,
sick.
qu'est-ce qu'il va
So
vite,
this
ce
is the
bâtard.
episode
Même quand il balance des Kikoa, ça va trop vite. Genre, il met des Kikoa et t'as l'impression qu'il se TP tellement il va vite sur la droite, sur la gauche, en arrière.
battle system. So basically, from what I understand of what they told us, there's not going to be a story mode in the game.
Let's do this thing.
There's going to be more specifically an episode battle system.
Même
where
ça, c'est
at least
stylé.
at launch, you'll be able to essentially play through a character's story, and there's going to be 8 characters that we'll have access to. Goku is obviously one, and then Vegeta will be one too. And so there will be some animated cutscenes. It'll also play out similar to like Budokai Tenkaichi 3. You know how like the story will play out through the fights.
The battles you'll have. Isn't your Saiyan blood boiling with excitement?
So obviously
from the
here,
thought?
this is a
Shut up.
cutscene.
If you think I'd ever join you, then you're dumber than you look.
But then I'm sure what we're about to see is it will progress it through.
Ok, Yukio.
I can't
Oh, okay, wait.
that child
This is different. So they showed us. So basically, how we had an appointment with like Summer Games Fest, play days, all of that. Essentially, what they did is they showed us and told us about the game. So we're also about to check out. We have the What If storyline version of this. So we have 2 versions: the canonized version and the What If version that we're watching.
Oh là là, l'agressivité. Ça se
And so
cache
they
sous
gave
l'eau.
us a presentation breaking down some of the different things in the game, and then they gave us hands-on with the game. So this was also.
Oh là là,
this
il a
not
pris
footage I
cher.
got, this was provided to us, but I've not watched it. And what we saw was a very like brief like version of all of this. That's why I wanted to just react to it since we had access to it here. But yeah, anyways, back to it. So it's essentially going to be episode battles, but what they told us is it will take the character from their start in Z, or some starting point. For Goku here is obviously literally the beginning of Z, and then it will take you through to the end of Dragon Ball Super. Okay, so here's what I was going to talk about with like how it's going to transition between essentially like images to transition.
Ok, ça fait des transitions en images comme à
I don't have to,
l'ancienne.
like, really describe it. It's literally showing it to you. This is cool. I'm glad they provided this because I had wrote down notes for this. They also did some really cool stuff with ink effect on the screens.
I was pursuing him. As much as I'd like to kill the rich
This is going to
myself,
follow the canon path
sad
though
truth
when
is
we
I
get
have a
applied
better
here.
shot at that. If you were along for the ride.
You get the option to choose.
Hold on. You mean team up with me?
This game
Why in
looks
the world
so
would you
good,
ever do
man.
that?
Don't get the wrong idea. This would just
Pourquoi on n'est pas invité à ce genre de choses? Pourquoi on reçoit pas des mails de... On reçoit pas des mails de Bandai qui... Salut Chini, j'espère que tu vas bien. Tu vas tester... Tu vas tester d'autres jeux.
be a temporary alliance, only for the sake of eradicating that alien.
J'ai fait des millions de vues sur Dokkan Battle, please.
Once that purpose has been served,
Aidez-moi.
I'll keep my promise to crush you. Then I can get back to my plans of world domination.
Okay, so they also fixed. Hopefully, it's fixed. Well, we'll see it in a second. They fixed. If you guys saw, there was like a PNG of Raditz in the trailer we saw a couple weeks ago or a week ago, and the PNG didn't go all the way up to the top. It does now. It's fixed.
Putain, la vérité. J'ai gagné le crossbar challenge tout à l'heure par rapport à Abdé m'a payé la graille, mais je crois que la graille elle est empoisonnée, frère. Mon ventre il commence à tourner, frère.
Or not a PNG.
Je savais, frère, je savais, j'aurais jamais dû.
You will see it in a second.
Le supplément Tender, je crois, il était pas nécessaire.
I also hope they show off another thing too. They told us, or they showed us, where you could go into first-person mode during cutscenes. So hopefully that is in here, and we get to see that as well. That was like really, really cool. The fact that you could adjust what was happening. See, so some of it is animated, and then they utilize some of this to go through it. So I don't necessarily hate this. My guess is their thought process is that we have Dragon Ball Z Kakarot if you want a fully played out story mode.
I thought you'd
So I think this is still fairly interesting. The fact that it goes all the way into Super is also cool, with the what if options the entire way.
League you are. Let's skip the pleasantries. We're here to take you down. Simple as that. I'm sorry, brother. I was thinking about my
Non,
offer and I
vive la Jap, hein.
changed my mind. You probably just slow the rest of
En vrai, la vérité, je sais pas pourquoi on dirait une parodie de South Park. Je sais pas comment vous expliquer. Genre comment il parle, comment sa bouche elle parle, genre.
changed my mind. You'd probably just slow the rest of us down.
Okay.
And for betraying the Saiyan race, you will die!
early Goku here.
Since you're going to be eradicated,
OMG, Goku
If
Kimono.
there's any cool gameplay aspects
something with you.
in this that maybe I didn't capture or maybe we just haven't seen yet.
Even more powerful than me.
So in our demo, not to put the guy on blast, but I guess there are certain things that can happen during the story that are only prompted via actually certain conditions in battle. One of them is that if you actually defeat Raditz in this fight before the time is up, like in a certain amount of time, it'll actually trigger a different cutscene than you would have seen originally. So completely separate from the what if option that was provided. Quite literally, if you meet certain battle conditions, there are also other aspects of the battle that you might be able to see that you wouldn't see otherwise. So I wonder if we'll get to see that here. If that, hopefully that makes sense essentially. So there's the what if decision that you can make, and then there's also things that you can trigger just by doing certain conditions mid-fight. And again, as you can see, as I mentioned, it is very Budokai Tenkaichi 3-esque.
C'est horrible avec Piccolo qui parle en fond en anglais, avec lui qui parle en anglais par-dessus, c'est horrible.
82 and 1 were like this too. I can't remember. It's been a while since I played those. It's the reason more on my mind because I played it recently for videos. But it, you know, has the story play out. They talk. A lot of the stuff that usually just be in a cutscene is actually happening mid-fight, which again, it doesn't.
À la fin, Mutsu, à la fin.
Kakarot missed some of the moments for the most part. Kakarot provides us with that Dragon Ball Z story. I am much more interested in just seeing.
Oh,
Yeah,
stylé!
this is being triggered because we didn't defeat Raditz in a certain amount of time, and then there's that sort of like ink art that I was talking about. Not total ink art, like
Gohan?
Legends, you know, watcher and viewer, you know, and would sort of like associate that with, but still a very cool effect.
C'est quoi ces effets verts?
And as you can see, some of this is like still sort of model work. I think it's like a unique way though to do the story. Okay, this is it. Okay, let's see if they do it. Again, in our demo, they were able to switch between first person, so you could see from the camera angle that they intended, and you could also see from the character you're playing as, which would be Goku. Let's see if they do this.
In the next world? What?
Yeah, right here is where they showed us. Please do it. Please do it. Please do it.
Piccolo!
Oh là là, Piccolo.
Now!
Dang, dude, this looks so good, man.
Aren't you
Actually getting to see it not in a like a presentation on a
Maybe, but
TV up on the
it's the
wall.
only way to beat you.
Please do what I want. Please do it. Please do it. Please do it so you guys can see it.
Are you ready?
Yes! Yes! See how you can switch cameras? See how
C'est vrai
first
qu'en
person
vrai,
from
on peut le
Goku's
dire.
point
En
of
vrai.
view?
En vrai, ça peut être une question piège de fou. Piccolo a déjà tué Goku.
So this, I don't think this is from every cutscene, but there are going to be certain cutscenes where you'll be able to switch perspectives, essentially. How dope is that? I think that is actually a really, really, really cool effect. Yeah, dude. Seen from Goku's POV versus like the normal one. That's too cool. Okay, so this is now the what if section. Yeah, so okay, so you saw that there for a second and didn't go all the way up. In the version that we saw
Whatever you say.
in person, it went all the way up and it was
Whatever
fixed.
you say.
Okay, so I've not seen this. We didn't get to see the what if version at all. I've not seen any of this.
Ok, assez scénario changé.
Whip that guy easy. Sorry, Krillin, but you've already been brought back to life by Shenron once before. If anything were to happen to you now, you'd be gone for good.
Maybe so, but don't let yourself get killed, Goku, or we're all dead. Master Roshi's right. Let us back you up if you need it.
Krillin, Master Roshi, you're the best. We better head out.
Oh les bâtards, ici c'est Krillin qui meurt et pas Goku.
Let's see how this plays out, man.
Ça va faire sauter Krillin pour attraper Raditz et il va manger un Makin Kozapo pendant que Goku il regardera le fight. Oh la dinguerie.
I honest,
All right.
I don't know.
It's all or nothing now. Goku, wait.
So Krillin's gonna come anyway, even though.
Voilà.
Okay.
Follow them.
Say what?
Okay.
C'est quoi? C'est Krillin qui va Kienzan. Il va Kienzan Goku et couper en deux? Attends.
Goku to climb. Hey.
Kakarot, I thought you'd at least be smarter than this. But you have no idea how out
Ah, y a pas
of
Piccolo.
your league you was thinking of
Gonna win this. Like it doesn't.
going to be eradicated.
Piccolo. If Krillin does like a
Ok, donc là on connaît déjà le gameplay.
just in those Goku going Super Saiyan against Grade 8 Vegeta. Oh, we actually have Krillin gameplay. Oh snap! He went into Sparking mode. Notice how everything like changed again.
I'll kill you quickly.
Wait. Oh, dude.
Oh lolo, elle est belle. Elle est belle.
That was sick. Oh man, we're gonna have to have like a full ultimate like tier list. There's gonna be so many characters.
To beat me last time. I'm
Wait,
gonna
Piccolo's
see if
here?
you've gotten any tougher. So don't you disappoint me.
Okay, so
Got it,
Piccolo.
Goku.
Piccolo!
No ways. Oh, dude, Chain Destructo disc. Do it, please. Let us see it. Oh my gosh, let us see it.
Got a new special attack hidden up your sleeve. Now's the time to use it, Goku.
Oh, they didn't use it.
Sorry, nope.
You lazy fool.
Anyway, I can't imagine
Training non-stop
that
to
once you choose
develop
one
a
what if,
sure
you're
kill
stuck in
technique.
that timeline. It probably is just gonna be like for that instance, and then you'll go to the next story beat and you'll choose what if or not what if, and go to the next story beat. So far, like maybe it'll have like actually. No, I don't know. I don't know. They didn't tell us how like deep the story mode would go in terms of like the choices with our what ifs.
I'll try and buy you guys a little more
Ok, attendez, je déclenche juste le story mode.
When they in that time limit, something different happens that we're not even seeing here. So there's even more stuff.
Worthless idiots.
Shenzan?
It's not gonna be enough. Lightning
Okay.
surprise attack.
Roshi. Wait.
What?
What?
Mafuba?
Now, Piccolo, end it.
Wait, so Piccolo is still involved? But Goku doesn't
Ah non, c'était pas le
die.
Mafuba, c'était... j'ai oublié la technique, putain.
By such a small
Wait, that's such a drastic change in the story. But wait, what would that mean? What? But what does that mean for Goku learning Kaioken? Because he wouldn't go down Snake Way to go to King Kai's planet. Oh, dude, that's actually pretty wicked. That's not as different as I wanted it to be, but that's pretty. That's
Oui,
really cool.
c'était la
Okay, so
technique.
last but not least, we have custom.
Bah, il a utilisé cette technique, vous me dites, eh, vas-y, vous aussi, mais j'étais inversé de technique. Il a utilisé quand il était en Jackie Chun, au tournoi Budokai. Il a utilisé la technique. Non? Dans mes souvenirs, ouais, il l'utilisait en Jackie Chun. Les éclairs.
And essentially, this is
Ah va, quand même.
their create plate share thing that they had on the.
C'est inversé.
website.
Mafuba, c'est quand il l'enferme dans le vase, mais...
I'm sure plenty of people have seen and covered. But if you haven't, you get to create.
Et le Kaioken, du coup, c'est quand ton daron, il crie le soir à partir de 22h, frère. C'est bon, je rigole, je rigole, je rigole. C'est bon, je rigole. C'est le Kaioken, wesh, l'aura rouge. Wesh, contre Vegeta, l'Arc Saiyan. Je rigole, c'est une vanne, c'est une vanne. C'est une vanne, c'est une vanne. Non, il m'a trop tenté, il m'a trop tenté. Bientôt, ça va me Shini Genkidama. C'est quoi comme technique? C'est quand il donne l'énergie ou...
Create your own custom sort of events that you can then share out to your friends or to the public and stuff like that. And it's literally from the dialogue that you see here to battle conditions, which they're about to show us, to I think you can actually.
Alors, par contre, la team, je tiens à dire. Par contre, la team. Je veux bien, il y a 7 youtubeurs différents. Ils ont joué à Sparking Zero différents. Ils ont tous les 7 proposé des gameplays et dans chaque vidéo, il y a des choses qu'il n'y a pas dans une autre vidéo. Mais voilà qu'on va pas s'envoyer 4 heures de Sparking Zero, je vous le dis. De react à la chasse au trésor de chaque petit truc. Là, je pense qu'on a regardé le plus gros. On a un autre contenu, mais je vais pas commencer à faire chasse au trésor dans chaque vidéo à 12 minutes 15 jusqu'à 16. Il nous montre que Goku, il peut faire ci. À 19 minutes, il y a Majin Vegeta. Dans une autre vidéo, à 26 minutes, ils font ça. Ah, vas-y. Là, c'est très bien. On a beaucoup d'informations. Et au contraire, les autres infos, tant mieux si je suis pas au courant, je les découvrirai in-game.
So like this is all customizable. As you there go, cut, 3D cut, face off 5, and then you choose the characters that are going to be like actually in action. As you can see,
Twitter, ouais, mais je sais pas où aller. Vous allez m'envoyer des liens de plusieurs vidéos et tout. J'ai la flemme,
you got to
frère.
choose it was Vegeta. You got to choose how he was going to come down. You get to choose the lines that they're going to say back and forth. They've now changed it to being Hercule instead of Vegeta. You can see right over there, camera circle around 26L. Like you control all the aspects of the intro. And then there's this one right here, which they're pitting Vegito versus Gogeta against each other.
C'est fini?
Quite instead of having to be modded and do all of that, there's going to be so real-time fashion. Quite literally, they had slow-mo frames there. I also think they will actually interact with type in your own preset.
Y'a Végéto? Je croyais qu'il n'y avait pas Végéto.
Actually talk and will actually interact with one another with the voice.
Ah, ok, Kirana.
Preset amount of voice lines, I'm sure, like on PC, and maybe there also will be some custom where you can type in your own voice lines as well. But from my understanding, like they are supposed to be actual voice lines. They're just not in the footage I currently have for you guys. And I feel like in the demo we saw they actually did talk because they showed us this. I could be wrong.
Ça y est, réveille-toi, Végéto.
But I do believe that in the final version of this,
Voilà.
we're going to be able to.
Voilà. Voilà. Voilà, Végéto, encore. Voilà. Encore. Non, frère. Tema, il a pété le seum, il est revenu en arrière.
That's Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. If you're looking for more content on this channel, just click right there. I'll see you over there in that one. Bye.
Ça, Tema, frère. Tema, il a pété le seum. Tema, il a pété le seum. Attendez. Oui, mais en fait, vous allez me montrer des spés, des trucs et tout. Attends, c'est quoi? C'est ça? Attends.